Welcome back everyone to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at something very special in the form of this 1973 Porsche 911E. It's finished in signal yellow with an amazing brown and houndstooth interior. Let's hop on in, we'll take it for a drive and show you how everything works. Here we are in the 73 911E. As you can see, the interior is amazing. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. Right up. Revs come down. We will get a little temperature of the oil here and be right back to you. So we're cruising along, just testing everything out, going through our checklist. Radio works, has a vintage Blaupunkt. Go ahead and shut that off. But as you can see, it's really a very nicely put together car. The signal yellow is exceptional. It drives really well, like an old 911 should. It's just nice. Horn works. It's everything you could imagine. All right, here we are in the 911. We're cruising along. Oil temps are coming up. It's a rather warm day out. It's about 90 degrees right now, but as you can see, temperatures are just fine. Pressures are perfect. All of our gauges are functioning, oil level, fuel gauge, even the clock seems to be working. Super cool 911E. Of course, the E model has the 2.4 liter flat six. That's the bigger uprated engine for the 911Es. Obviously, the larger engine comes with the 915 gearbox. It has the standard H pattern, and I like them. This one shifts exceptionally well, very smooth. It's exactly what you would imagine from a 911. Happy to rev. It's just a great car. This is a really great example. It's had $90,000 worth of work in 2025. We have all of the receipts. It's really lived a very charmed life. Anything that's needed has been done. Just loving ownership from new and definitely since restoration. Speaking of restoration, this car was repainted in this absolutely phenomenal signal yellow. The interior, or original colors, has the brown leather and then obviously this houndstooth, which is just exceptional. The whole interior really is phenomenal. The dash has no cracks, really does not show anywhere. It's extremely well kept. So we're gonna pull over here, do a couple flybys for you, and be right back. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed those flybys. I certainly did. It's hard not to enjoy a wonderful Targa top on a day like today. It's nice and warm, the breeze feels unbelievable. Everything is right in the world. I hope you enjoyed how the flat six sounded at song. I think it sounds unbelievable. Obviously, you get a little bit more exhaust noise, intake noise with the Targa top removed. Targa does not leak. The seals are nice, soft, supple. It really is a wonderful example of a 911E Targa. So we're going to come up here, hit the high-speed road, show you how the 911 cruises. We have all 5 gears. We'll run it through, and we'll be back to you. All right, here we are on our little high-speed road. We'll run through the gears. That was first, into second, up into third, fourth, and finally up into fifth gear, where you're sitting at a nice, reasonable speed, at reasonable RPMs. You can cruise all day long on the Autobahn or the 495. And the brakes are also very good. Does not pull one way or the other. Stop straight. There's no wobble in the pedal. Everything really is very nice on this car. It's an extremely, extremely, extremely nice example of a 911. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I certainly enjoyed making the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we will see you in the next one.